After 30 years commanding cruise ships, I've learned there are things cruise lines rarely explain to passengers. Some of these secrets can cost you hundreds of dollars. Others affect your comfort, your safety, and even your legal rights. And one secret near the end has quietly saved experienced cruisers thousands, while most passengers never even realize it exists. Every week, passengers make avoidable mistakes because they assume the cruise line tells them everything they need to know. But some of the most important information is hidden in plain sight, and knowing it can completely change how you cruise. We're counting down the 15 hidden secrets passengers are never told, and the final 3 are the ones industry insiders consider the most valuable. Let's get started with number 15. 15. Why guest services sends most passengers in circles. Most passengers assume guest services can solve almost anything. After all, that's where everyone goes when something goes wrong. But here's what cruise lines rarely explain. In many cases, guest services isn't actually the department that fixes problems. They're often acting as the middleman, taking information and passing it along to the people who have the authority to resolve the issue. That's why passengers sometimes spend 30 minutes waiting in line, only to be told someone else will contact them later. Meanwhile, valuable vacation time is slipping away. Experienced cruisers know that going directly to the right department usually gets results much faster. Dining concerns are often handled best by the dining room manager. Excursion problems are better addressed at the shore excursion desk. Cabin issues are typically resolved more quickly through housekeeping, and medical concerns should always go straight to the medical center. Knowing who actually has the authority can save hours of frustration. But wasting time in line is minor compared to what many passengers miss before the ship even leaves port. 14. The cruise app shows things they don't print. Most passengers glance at the paper schedule left in their cabin and assume they're seeing everything the ship has to offer. But that's rarely the case. Cruise line apps often contain activities and events that never make it onto the printed schedule. That means many passengers unknowingly miss free trivia competitions, cooking demonstrations, enrichment lectures, fitness classes, scavenger hunts, and other complimentary experiences simply because they didn't know they existed. Some cruisers don't discover this until the final day, when another passenger casually mentions a class or activity they never even knew was happening. By then, it's too late. One of the smartest things you can do before sailing is download your cruise line's app and check it several times throughout the day. New events, venue changes, and last-minute additions are often updated digitally first. The app can completely change your cruise experience. But while missing free activities can be disappointing, what you're actually eating may surprise you even more. 13. Menu descriptions are marketing. Those elegant menu descriptions are designed to make everything sound irresistible. But fancy wording doesn't always mean premium ingredients or exceptional preparation. Terms like signature sauce, chef-inspired, artisan, or fresh catch can sound impressive, but they don't always tell the full story. Sometimes the reality is far less glamorous than the description suggests. That's why experienced cruisers don't rely solely on what they read. Instead, they ask a simple question before ordering. How is this actually prepared? Servers often know which dishes are genuinely outstanding and which ones are simply dressed up with impressive language. They can tell you whether something is baked or fried, heavily seasoned, spicy, or particularly popular that day. A quick conversation can mean the difference between a memorable dinner and a disappointing one. And speaking of things passengers assume are completely secure, the next secret involves something sitting inside almost every cabin on every cruise ship. 12. Your cabin safe isn't as private as you think. Most passengers lock their valuables inside the cabin safe and never give it another thought. They assume that once the door closes, only they have access. But here's something cruise lines rarely talk about. Cabin safes have master override systems. That means authorized personnel can access them when necessary. Now, that doesn't mean you should panic. The overwhelming majority of crew members are honest professionals. But many passengers mistakenly believe the safe is completely private when it isn't. That's why experienced cruisers take a few extra precautions. Before storing valuables, they photograph expensive items, record serial numbers, and even email themselves an inventory list. Having a time-stamped record can make all the difference if something ever goes missing. For especially valuable jewelry or large amounts of cash, some cruise lines offer more secure storage options through guest services. A few minutes of preparation can provide a lot of peace of mind. But the next secret catches many passengers completely off guard, especially those who spend extra money for a balcony cabin. 11. Why some balcony cabins are actually worse. Many passengers assume that paying extra for a balcony automatically guarantees a better experience. But seasoned cruisers know that's not always true. Two cabins in the same category can offer completely different experiences. Some balcony cabins have partially obstructed views because of lifeboats or ship structures. Others are located directly above nightclubs, theaters, or busy public spaces where noise can continue late into the evening. Some balconies are surprisingly small, while others offer very little privacy because they're exposed to neighboring cabins or upper decks. Passengers often discover these problems only after boarding, when it's too late to change rooms. That's why experienced cruisers research their exact cabin number before sailing. Cruise forums, passenger reviews, and real photos can reveal issues that cruise brochures never mention. A few minutes of research can help you avoid noisy locations, blocked views, and disappointing surprises. Because while choosing the wrong cabin can affect your comfort, the next secret has cost some passengers hundreds of dollars without them even realizing it. 10. The drink package trap most cruisers fall for. Drink packages sound like an easy way to save money, and that's exactly why so many passengers buy them without thinking twice. But the reality is that many people end up spending far more than they ever would paying for drinks individually. The problem is psychological. Once passengers buy the package, they start trying to get their money's worth. Suddenly, they're ordering drinks they wouldn't normally have, simply because they've already paid for unlimited access. Thousands of cruisers have spent hundreds of dollars more than necessary chasing savings that never really existed. Experienced cruisers take a different approach. Instead of buying immediately, they spend the first 2 days paying for drinks individually and keeping track of what they actually consume. The math often reveals that they don't drink nearly enough to justify the package. For some people, the package makes sense. For many others, it doesn't. But while the secrets so far have mostly affected your comfort and your wallet, the next 5 involve something far more important. The secrets we've covered so far mostly affect comfort and money. But the next 5 involve things cruise lines rarely discuss because they affect your health, your legal rights, and even what crew members are allowed to tell passengers. Some of these may completely change how you think about cruising. 9. Crew members can't tell you everything. Passengers often assume that if something important is happening on board, the crew will simply tell them. But that's not always how things work. Crew members are expected to follow company policies, and that means they can't always openly discuss health outbreaks, mechanical problems, or safety concerns. That doesn't mean information is being hidden maliciously. It simply means employees have limitations on what they can communicate. Experienced cruisers understand this and pay attention to actions instead of words. If crew members are suddenly increasing sanitation procedures, avoiding certain buffet stations, or securing outdoor areas before rough weather arrives, they're often telling you something without saying a word. Sometimes the best information comes from observing what the crew is doing rather than listening to what they're allowed to say. And what many passengers assume about onboard medical care may surprise you even more. 8. Cruise ship medical centers aren't hospitals. Many passengers assume that a cruise ship medical center functions like a floating hospital, but the reality is very different. Medical centers are designed to stabilize patients, not provide the full range of treatment available at major hospitals. One passenger who suffered a serious medical emergency during a Caribbean cruise reportedly faced evacuation expenses exceeding $70,000. Costs like that can be devastating without proper coverage. That's why experienced cruisers never assume their regular health insurance will automatically protect them overseas. Medical evacuation coverage can be just as important as trip insurance itself. Another smart move is bringing extra medication. Delays happen, and running out of prescription medicine far from home is a problem no one wants to face. A few extra precautions before your cruise can make an enormous difference if something unexpected happens. And speaking of surprises, very few passengers realize how much power they give away the moment they purchase their ticket. 7. Your cruise ticket limits your legal rights. Almost nobody reads the fine print attached to their cruise ticket. Most passengers simply assume they're buying a vacation, not entering into a legal agreement filled with conditions and limitations. But hidden inside those terms are important details involving filing deadlines, limited jurisdictions, and restrictions on liability. In some situations, waiting too long after an incident can seriously affect your ability to pursue a claim. That's why experienced cruisers know that documentation matters. If something significant happens on board, whether it's an injury, damaged property, or another serious issue, time becomes extremely important. Photos, videos, written notes, and witness information can all become valuable later. The longer you wait, the harder it becomes to reconstruct what happened. Hopefully, you'll never need any of this information. But knowing your rights before you sail is always better than discovering the rules afterward. And while legal problems are rare, there's another frustration almost every cruiser experiences at least once. 6. Why elevators become chaos on sea days. Anyone who's cruised before knows the scene. Sea days arrive, everyone is relaxing on board, and suddenly the elevators feel like rush hour traffic. Long lines form, elevators stop on every floor, and what should take 2 minutes turns into 10. Fortunately, experienced cruisers know a few tricks. Forward elevators are often less crowded because most passengers naturally gather around the middle of the ship. Timing matters too. Breakfast hours, dinner time, and theater release are usually the busiest periods of the day. Sometimes simply waiting 15 minutes can save far more time than standing in a crowded elevator lobby. And whenever possible, taking the stairs for just a few decks can be surprisingly faster. Elevator congestion is annoying, but it's temporary. What happens at the end of the cruise, however, frustrates even experienced travelers. Because despite what many passengers believe, getting off the ship isn't always as straightforward or as fair as it seems. 5. Priority debarkation isn't always equal. Most passengers assume that getting off the ship is a simple process and that everyone follows the same schedule. But experienced cruisers know that isn't always the case. While debarkation procedures are organized and fair overall, some passengers naturally receive advantages. Guests staying in suites often enjoy priority privileges. Loyalty program members may receive preferred treatment. Passengers with mobility challenges or special accommodations are also frequently assisted first. That means two passengers with similar plans may not always leave the ship at the same time. For travelers with early flights, this can create unnecessary stress if they simply assume everything will go according to schedule. Smart cruisers avoid surprises by confirming their debarkation plans before the final morning. They verify luggage tags, meeting locations, and departure times with crew members while there's still time to make adjustments. Getting off the ship smoothly makes the end of the vacation much more enjoyable. But the final 4 secrets are the ones frequent cruisers swear by. We've reached the secrets frequent cruisers swear by. These last 4 can dramatically change how much you spend, and one of them has saved some passengers thousands. If you've stayed this far, these are the secrets that can truly change how you cruise. For last-minute bookers sometimes get better deals. Most people believe booking early guarantees the lowest price. But flexible travelers know that isn't always true. Cruise lines hate sailing with empty cabins, and sometimes incredible deals appear close to departure. Those willing to wait may find lower fares, complimentary upgrades, onboard credit, or even free perks that weren't available months earlier. In some cases, passengers booking just weeks before sailing end up paying significantly less than those who booked far in advance. Of course, this strategy isn't perfect. During holidays, school breaks, and peak seasons, prices often move in the opposite direction. Waiting too long can leave you with limited cabin choices or even sold-out sailings. Still, for travelers with flexible schedules, last-minute booking can be one of the best ways to maximize value. And speaking of saving money, many passengers unknowingly overpay before they even step into a specialty restaurant. 3. Specialty restaurants often have hidden discounts. Many passengers reserve specialty restaurants months before sailing because they assume prices will only go up. But experienced cruisers know that some of the best deals aren't available until they're already on board. Embarkation day often brings special offers designed to fill tables. Lunch menus at specialty restaurants are frequently less expensive than dinner while serving many of the same dishes. Dining packages can also provide significant savings compared with booking individual meals separately. As a result, many passengers end up paying more than necessary simply because they rush to reserve everything in advance. A little flexibility can go a long way. Sometimes waiting a day or two allows you to take advantage of promotions that weren't available before the cruise began. And while hidden restaurant discounts can save money, the next secret has quietly saved experienced cruisers hundreds, and sometimes even thousands of dollars without changing a single thing about their vacation. 2. Cruise lines quietly lower prices after you book. Most passengers book their cruise, make the final payment, and never think about the fare again. They assume the price they paid is locked in and that everyone else is paying roughly the same amount. But cruise prices change constantly. Sometimes fares go up, but sometimes they drop. And when they do, many passengers never notice because they stop checking. Experienced cruisers know better. They monitor prices regularly after booking and pay attention to promotions and fare changes. Depending on the cruise line and the timing, lower fares can sometimes result in upgrades, onboard credit, or price adjustments. The key is awareness. You can't take advantage of a better price if you never know it exists. Saving money is great, but the number one secret isn't about money at all. It's about something most passengers assume is true, but isn't. And once you understand it, you'll never look at a cruise the same way again. 1. Crew actions reveal more than crew words. This is something captains and senior officers have always understood. Crew members are professionals, and like employees in any industry, there are limits to what they can openly discuss with passengers. That doesn't mean information is being hidden. It simply means that actions often tell a more complete story than words. Experienced cruisers pay close attention to what the crew is doing. If sanitation procedures suddenly increase, there is usually a reason. If buffet stations become covered, whether preparations begin or outdoor furniture starts being secured, the crew is responding to changing conditions long before most passengers notice them. Even small details matter. Crew members avoiding certain areas or changing routines can provide clues that something unusual is happening behind the scenes. The smartest passengers don't panic. They observe. Because the most valuable information on board isn't always found in announcements or printed schedules. Sometimes it's revealed through the quiet actions of the people who know the ship best. The smartest passengers don't just listen. They observe. So, which of these 15 secrets surprised you the most? And what's one cruise tip you learned the hard way that new cruisers should know? Share it in the comments because experienced cruisers often have amazing advice that can save others money and stress. And if you enjoy cruise tips, secrets, and hacks that help you cruise smarter, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Now, check out the next video on your screen to learn the cruise mistakes that cost passengers the most money. Until next time, cruise smart and enjoy every voyage.